Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to download free GraphPad Prism version 11. First write in Google free GraphPad Prism, that's it, and then you will find this GraphPad Prism free trial. You can use it for 30 days and later you can use the crack version. I will discuss it later. And then you will just put your email address, for example in my case rate of gmail.com, and then you will go directed. So now you can write your details, your first name, last name, company, organization, country details, and then you can click here get started, and after that I'll show you country Bangladesh, for example, and some password. It's not mandatory. Okay, password, strong password, for example, select option. Okay, yes, both, and select option student, for example, if you want, or academic, then get started, don't save. So now you can download it for free, download for Windows and then download for Mac, and after downloading it you will see like this version, right? Like this interface will come. First this is the welcome page. In this navigation panel you can create what type of graph you want, XY, column, group, contingent, survival, or others. And this is the cloud, you can storage your data, and also some tutorial video or others, and also how can you open your file. And here you will see data table, and this one is enter import data into a new table. You can create it if you had column or graph data, group data, then you can enter, for example, 3 application here, 3. If you need mean, error square, and number, then this one. And the graph will be like this. In column, graph will come in this way, XY this way, survival, that is the days, time series, experiment, parts of whole, pie graph, multiple variables will come in this way, nested in this way it will come. So this is the first column, and then you can start with the sample data tutorial. For example, I want to check one-way analysis. You can click just here and then create. It will come in this way, and how you can arrange your data it will show. In next video I will show how to analyze the data. So that's all about the first Prism installation. And then you will see the navigation panel, this one, navigation panel, and in navigation panel the data, and you can create new data, and also your information result will come here, and by clicking here you can see the graph. You can change also graph by box and by line or mean, media, like this way, mean, median, error. And graph type column, you can say group or XY, whatever you want. So I prefer column. Okay, and then family, here you can organize all the data, and in this column, okay, and this one you can change the graph by using here. For example, this one, to change the graph, you don't like this type graph, you like this, click here, or this type, or box, or like this way. Then, and here you can change the different frame. For example, you don't like this, you can change the form style, frame style, thickness. If it's too thick, then you can reduce it by this way, or you can change the x-axis, tick down. You don't like tick, you can click none. If you want this tick in up, then click here, and left x-axis, right x-axis, title, fonts, and everything you can do from here. Okay, and what about this axis is to draw. For example, I want to give the automatically add pairs comparison, it will automatically add pairs comparison, or different line you can do it manually like this. For example, this way you can tick here, different cloud, automatically add compact letter display. Okay, this one you want to show significance, twister. For example, you can click in this way. And also lettering, you want to draw letter, just click here and just A, or this one, click T, and here B. So this one is for lettering section. And you can also change your text here, you can increase letter or some other. So this one is text bar, and you can analyze the data by clicking here, then one way, two way, or whatever you want. So it's so simple. That's all about GraphPad Prism. Thank you so much.